Folks, you know me. I hope you know my name. This is Dr. Dara, and it is a great honor. And it really reminds me how I came in this city. The one who brought me was born here, Dr. Will Ross, who is the Associate Dean of WashU. And I was given the opportunity 15 years ago, exactly the same, when I was employee at regional hospital and I worked there as a kidney doctor for 11 years. At that time, it's really reminding, like coming home, doing the same thing from last 15 years. It's a great honor, the mayor coming in this small place and giving us this, his time and help, because even with help from American Renal Associates, it would not have been possible without the help from the city and Mr. Jeffrey Boyd, who tremendously helpful from day one, from November 2009, has been day in, day out, helping, making sure that the city of St. Louis people have benefited from this project. So it's a great honor for Mr. Francis Lay coming in and giving us his guidance and speech. Please.
All right.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Dr. Dara, and good afternoon, everyone. It's really a pleasure to join with Alderman Jeffrey Boyd, Dr. Dara, Mr. Joe Cology, and Dr. Spezia, and all the different, all the other individuals that are here affiliated with the Gateway St. Louis Dialysis Center here in the 22nd Ward. I'm here for two reasons. I'm here because my good friend and an outstanding public servant asked me to be here, Jeffrey Boyd. He works hard in the 22nd Ward, is a leader at the Board of Aldermen, and does a great job. And when he wants me to be someplace, I'm going to be there, if I can make it. But the other reason I'm here is probably more important reason is because I want to show my appreciation as mayor of the city of St. Louis and representative of the people in this area and the entire city, to show my appreciation for your commitment, Doctor, and all your commitment to the city of St. Louis. This is a service, as you know, that is terribly needed in the city of St. Louis, particularly in this area, where there's a high prevalence of need for dialysis in the city of St. Louis. And I can't thank you enough for your commitment to the people of St. Louis, to this neighborhood, and to the city of St. Louis. I know that this is something that will serve a lot of people in need. It will also, bring jobs to this area in terms of nurses and social workers, dietitians, patient care technicians, and others. And certainly a very nice facility that we can be very, very proud of. So on behalf, I certainly want to thank Joe Cology, founder and president of American Renal Associates, and as well as Dr. Dara and his partners for your commitment in bringing a quality organization, a quality facility here to the city of St. Louis. Congratulations to you, Alderman. I know that you worked hard to help bring this here, and I know through your leadership you made it happen. I also want to recognize who I met today was Dr. Francois Charles, and I know Francois in French is Francis, so from one Francis to another, it's good to see you. And thank you for your 40 years of service to our community.
Thank you.
You're legendary.
First of all, thank everybody for being here. It's a great day in the 22nd Ward. I'm real proud of this project. I certainly want to thank Dr. Dara and his wife, Narmela, for having the great vision of selecting this location. Like the mayor said, it's a great need in our community. It's very accessible. It's a first-class facility. And it wouldn't have gotten to this point had it not been for the leadership. I want to recognize Jason Province with Huffman Construction, who did a great job at making sure we had good minority participation and just putting together a quality project. Thank you, Jason. And again, I had the opportunity to meet the Daras since 2009, and they are very genuine, warm people. outstanding people to work with. They're committed to health excellence. They're committed to our community. They're committed to those who have been disenfranchised when it comes to health care, and they want to offer themselves and their services. So I really, truly appreciate them being in our community. Economic development in these days is tough to come by. So I really appreciate them bringing their millions of dollars into our neighborhood, creating this first-class facility, and taking what was an eyesore in our neighborhood right next door to our fabulous police department and making it a great place for people to come and get dialysis services. I have a brother who's on dialysis. I definitely recommend that he come over here and take a look at this first-class facility. I had an opportunity to sit in one of the chairs, and it started vibrating. You know, it gives you a massage. How cool is that? So, I mean, that's first class, ladies and gentlemen. Again, congratulations to the Darvas and their team, and really appreciate you being here in the 22nd Ward.
Thank you very much. I would like to introduce you, Joe Carlucci. You know, if I give you his biography, it's going to take me 1.5 hours to finish just his biography. But I'm just going to say this. Under the name of American Renal Associates, if you take each month, you will see several facilities being built nationwide, coast to coast. And he started from scratch. It was not silver spoon. He worked very hard to reach there. All of his facilities are believer in the patient care, and all the dialysis facilities are partnered by physicians. And that is the only dialysis company that is 100%, all the facilities are physician partnered. So it is my great pleasure, and for Joe Carlucci flying from Boston, coming and giving all the guidance and his experience and wisdom and the vision sharing with us in St. Louis. He allowed me to let his people from Pennsylvania be fired and hire all of Jason's and those people. So he allowed me to do that. So I'm very happy that I was able to do under his permission. So please, Joe Carlucci.
Well, thank you, Dr. Dara. Thank you, Mayor. Thank you, Alderman. And you know what, I'm just so humbled. We're so fortunate to partner with Dr. Dara. Dr. Dara's real boss and his wife, Normella. So we are just thoroughly pleased to be here at this location. When we first came out, we looked at the location. We loved the location. Dr. Dara loved the location. And it really came out great. But we have wonderful staff here. We have wonderful staff throughout the country with American Renal. And it really is all about patient care. And patient care is #1 for us, as Alderman said, chairs and heating and so forth. But I'm not going to get into sales. We're just so very happy to partner with Dr. Dara, and we're really thrilled to have the mayor come out here today and Alderman come out here today, and so many nice people. So thanks so much.
It will take me 2 more minutes, and I'll just want to mention that I would not be able to do even single day job without people that they have helped me from day one, be it Maine Regional, whether I was employee or own some little bit here and there. But I really appreciate everything that all the employees do, starting from Connie Taylor. I've known her more than 10 years. I think these employees not just taking care of the patient, they take ownership. Very loyal and very sincere to the patient care. I feel that they are asset for the city and for this area. Disproportionate disease burden that these patients carry, and the social, financial, medical, and their personal life problems, these employees take at personal level. They will be staying here until 2 a.m. sometime to finish the job, and I sincerely, cordially appreciate all of them. They are my associates. I live because of them. They have inspired me. I mean, I was born in Pakistan, but I learned everything from all the people from here. So all of you have taught me what I am, and because of all of you. It's my life, that last day of my life I'll dedicate, and it will be a pleasure to continue to serve this population. So beside Connie Taylor, Tammy is our regional vice president, and Nirmala I'm not going to mention, she's my wife, so that's okay. And all the other people, so I'm not going to take too much time, it's a cold weather, so please have some finger food inside. And again, thank you very much, everybody.